All right, let's look at the homework 2.7, problem number 6. All right, so we want to find the slope of the tangent line to this given curve, which is this is the equation at 2, 1. All right, so let's do that. All right, so we need to take the derivative, so we have to look at it as here. We know that there are two things here. So this is our first guy. This is our second guy, right? So when you take the derivative, so I'm going to go ahead and take the derivative with respect to x. So d over dx, right? So I'm going to use the product rule, right? Derivative of the first guy is going to be -1. Multiply by the second guy, which is y squared. Right, plus first guy is quantity 10 minus x. Multiply by derivative of the second guy. So you're going to have 2y. Right, then since we're taking a derivative with respect to x, but this is written in y, we have to multiply by dy over dx. Right, and the derivative right hand side is it's already written in x, so it's just a regular derivative, so it's going to be 3x squared. Right, so we have that. Then all you have to do is isolate dy over dx, because this is the derivative we're looking for. Right, so I'm going to, first thing I would do is I'm going to move this term over to the other side. Right, so we can do that by simply adding y squared. So I'm going to add y squared. Right, so you end up getting, so I'm going to write 2, which is this guy right here, and then quantity 10 minus x, and which is this guy here, times y, dy over dx. Right, so that takes care of all these guys right here. Right, then you have on the right hand side you have 3x squared, which was already on the right hand side, and then we're adding y squared to it, so it's going to be plus y squared. Alright, then we just need to divide through by 2 times 10 minus x times y, so we're going to divide through by 2 10 minus x and y. Right, so that way we have a dy over dx all by itself, and this is equal to, right, so you have a 3x squared plus y squared. Right, then divided by, right, so you have a 2 times quantity 10 minus x and times y. Right, so this is the derivative. Right, so what you need to do next would be, to find the slope. So slope m is going to be, we're going to ask the derivative dy over dx, and then we plug in x comma y is equal to, right, point is given to be 2 comma 1, so I'm going to put 2 comma 1 here. Right, so x is 2, y is 1. Right, see what we get. Right, so we have, let's see, 3x squared, so 3, and x is 2, so you have a 2 squared, plus y is 1, oops, shoot, hold on a sec. Right, sorry about that. Let's see, so we're going to have y is 1, so it's going to be 1 squared, and then you have a 2 times 10 minus, right, x is 2, so I'm going to put 2 here. Right, then multiply by y is 1. Right, so if you simplify that, you're going to get the, let's see, so 3 times 2 squared, 4, so 12 plus 1. So you're going to have 13 on top. Alright, so you have 10 minus 2 is 8 times 1 times 2 is 16. Right? So slope came out to be 13 over 16. Right? So let's type it in. Alright, so it came out to be 13 over 16. Right? Let's check the answer. Alright, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.